Hello guys, good morning and welcome to our day trade analysis for today, Monday the 15th of June 2026. And of course, we'll be starting off with the pound dollar, after we should go further to BTCUSD, and finally, we end this analysis with XAUUSD. But of course, before we focus on the technical aspects, we first look at the fundamentals to see if they are expecting any major impact news today. Remember, we are focusing on a major impact news from United States, that's USD. So for today, we are using Forex Factory for our fundamentals. So let's see if you have any. Okay. Now, based on today, we really don't have any major news from USD. All we have is minor impact news. Not even what we call medium impact news. All we have is just the minor, which you can see right here, just the yellow ones right here. All right. So that said, or that saying, let's go over to other analysis. Now I'll be starting up with the pound dollar, of which I'm currently still on a trade, and even good gave me a profit yesterday. It gave me profit yesterday. But anyway, we'll be analyzing all that today and looking at what we expect today. Now let's go back to 4-hour chart. My analysis for last week is actually still valid. So I won't be doing much on pound because just like I told you, I'm still in trade on pound dollars. So this was my analysis for last week. And this is my analysis for last week. I'm expecting the market to actually get it. So you actually got it, then start moving. So I told them my stop loss is actually below this. Though yes, didn't really go to my take profit as well. So what really happened was I think when it got to somewhere around here, we took profit somewhere around this level. I think somewhere around this level we took the profit. Then later when it came down here again, I entered again, and of course, then while it was here, the market closed on Friday. So I just left it open, and maybe when it happens today, if it should break below there, I'll be closing my buy and looking for a short rate below this level. Or then if it opens and I see that the market is giving signs of bullish move, then I continue to leave the trade to run. And this is actually my final target right here. So here's my final target. So let me just draw this out. Okay. Okay, good. So that's my final target. So I said if I see a bullish move, I believe in it down to this stage. Actually, I've already moved my stop loss from where it is currently. I think I've already taken some profit. I mean, taking like I've moved the stop loss to a reasonable level to cover up some profit. So this was for last week and actually still playing now. So I'm still very much bullish on pound dollars. Now, if you want to enter today, which level and which level should you be looking at? Now for today, since we already have the market at this our first TP right here, now that means our next TP, which I'll be looking at, is this level, this here. So now what you'll be expecting is you want to see the market first. Sorry, please. You want to see the market fully closing above this level. That means taking this previous high out. And if that happens, you want to wait for at least a retracement or a pullback. Remember, it must get to this level. Based on the candlestick formation, that tells you what is going to happen. And just in case you're not familiar with this channel or this is your first time coming across this video, please do it to make sure you join the community by hitting the subscribe button. We do this every single time, at least twice a week, sometimes even every single day, whenever we see opportunities to tell you what to be expecting each single day as the day trader. So if that sounds interesting, you want to see more of that, please do it to make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to actually give the thumbs up if you find it informative, and can still do well to share this with your colleagues and friends if you also need this information. That said, let's go over to analysis. So just like I said, if a minor pullback of the retracement, then we target this. But then if anything should happen and the market goes above, this is going to be a big time bullish move on pound dollars. So that's just for pound dollars. So let's go back to the 15-minute chart so you can actually see this entering a bit clear. Remember, this is 4-hour chart, so you might actually looking as if nothing is happening on 4-hour chart. Meanwhile, a lot is going on in 15-minute chart. Remember, we are day traders, we are analyzing day trades. Okay, so what I just say right now, let me delete this so it can be a bit clearer here. So what I say just now is I want to see the market continue this bullish move. Is currently moving. If that happens, I want to see it I target this next level. So that means my stop loss is going to be here. If I'm entering again, it's going to be here. Before missing already in the market, if the market should actually give me just what I said now, will it move my stop loss from what is here down here, then enter another trade, then still put my stop loss the same place. I think that's clear enough. Remember, if it's not clear enough, please drop a comment in the comment section for us to know what to do next. All right, so that's for pound dollars. The next one, which is BTC. Okay, let's go over also to the 4-hour chart. I remember last week I said I'm still very much bullish on what's it called BTC, XAU, and what's it called and pound dollars. But then this actually happened last week. I really don't know why this actually happened. You can see this. I think it was around this level last week. No, it was around this level. So I said if it should actually break below this, I'm looking for a short trade. But I still said that overall I'm still very much bullish. Those of you that have watched my video, you can actually go and play reference to it. Or maybe if you haven't watched, you can check the previous video. I said it that I'm still very, very much bullish on BTC USD, XAUUSD, and pound dollars. So now that it's playing out, I'm still looking for my bullish trade, just the way I said last week. So now what I'm expecting my bullish. Actually today, I've already analyzed this, but then for now, no any reasonable entry for me on BTC USD. Why? Because it's already moved with this spike above. So anything this level, that means I might not be having a reasonable place to put my stop loss, which might not give me a good risk to reward ratio. So what I'm expecting is for a pullback, giving me a nice structure for me to actually think of going long. And as you can already see that it's actually a big time remaining in this zone. So now what I'm expecting, let me remove this oil please. So what I want to see is the market, if it cannot break above this level right here, I want to see it break above this, then I'll be looking for a long trade and putting my stop loss below this level. Otherwise, if you pull back to retest this level or maybe this level, then I'll still look for long. So my long trade is gonna come up either at this level or at the break of this current range right here. I think that is clear enough. If it's not clear, maybe I can only do this, can only watch this over and over again, or do what to actually save this so you can take your time to watch how analyze and also compare it to an analysis. Alright, so that's it. Let's do the final one, which is gonna be XAU USD. I'm going to explain how I got the bullish profits this morning. You can see right here. Let my previous analysis come up. Okay, let's go back to the 4-hour chart first. Okay, good. Remember I said that I'm still very much bullish on this. I said this, you can see this right here. I told that I still expect a pullback, a minor pullback, not really this major one right here. I expect a minor pullback, then I expect the market to actually move into the zone. But then that did not happen. So when I saw the market actually go to this level, actually signs of bullish move around this level. I think before the market closed on Friday, I actually entered the trade. And then this morning when I woke up, I saw the market actually spike into this level, giving me taking me over to this level, and that's where actually I closed the market. Now, when I close the market, what I'm expecting is I'm still expecting continuation of this bullish. Remember, I said I'm still very much bullish on this, so I want to see moving out of this level then for me to go long on XAU USD. So that's what I'm expecting. But then if it gets here, as I see the market structure, as I see that the market has given me a signs of bearish move, then I might actually be going short. But for now, I'm still very, very much bullish on gold as it stands now. So I think let's go back to 15-minute charts just in case it's not clear enough, because I really want you to have a good and profitable day trade throughout this week. Alright, remember the comment section that I said earlier, I can leave up a comment right there. And if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, please do get to hit the follow button so you can see more and more of this as we drop. Remember, this is not me telling you what to do, I'm just giving you my own perspective, my own analysis. You can do it to compare these with your own analysis to give you a better edge. Please, when you analyze and you come over here and see why I sold you my single day, you can actually use it as a guide to know what really is likely to happen next in the market. Alright, so here is a what's it called the gold on 15-minute chart. Of course, that's what I said. On the 4-hour chart, I said I'm still expecting this bullish move. So please, I'm expecting this bullish move to continue. So that means I want to see it moving out of this level. Then I want to see a minor pullback. Then I think of continuing with the long trade. Alright, so this is what I'm looking at for today. And of course, if tomorrow, if I see any major change, I'll still come over today. But if I don't see any major change, if this is still playing out, then that means I might not come tomorrow, maybe next tomorrow. Whenever I see the market giving me some major change that, okay, yes, it should pay close attention to this, then I'll also be here to let you know about that. That said, I think this brings us to the end of the analysis. Remember, just as I said it, please ensure you trade safe. So you stay safe, you trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose, no matter how good the chart looks. That said, I wish you a profitable day trade ahead.